Alright everybody, gotta do a little maintenance on our junk. So this is a new trailer. Hooked up to it when we left our last job. No lights worked. I'm like, don't know what happened there. So what we think happened now is all of a sudden this plug outlet, you can put it in and out real easy. What it's doing is when you jackknifing, it's hitting it like that, and it's bending it, breaking it over. So we broke off one of these, and then it shoved the wires all back. So we're gonna get us another plug outlet. Be nice if that thing was, I don't know if you could, just have to be careful with it, I guess. Put it in a different spot, but anyway, we'll get that done. We had something pinch it right here too. Make sure the rubber garment stays in there. So we figured that out. So we came home with no lights. Barrett run behind me. It is a Mack, so we got all our equipment back home. And let's see what else we got. Pull truck. So I couldn't figure out. I was getting a bunch of smoke and diesel fumes inside. I knew I had a little crack in the floorboard right there, but what happened was every time now when I take off, I get more and more diesel fumes in here and all that. So I'm like, man, I need to fix that crack. So while I was under there with the board, the exhaust, this little section right here, so it's got a little flex tube. It was broken in half. Well, the crack's right there. So it was blowing out and blowing straight into the deal. Here's part of it. We have to grind off the other side. So we'll get a new one of those, replace it. That's pretty old. Be like a new truck. It's kind of sounding different too, so we need something with different. I could just put me a pipe and run it straight out the side. Be like a race truck. Alright, we'll get started here in a minute. We're gonna grind it here in just a second and get that other piece off. Get some. Yep. Hang on a second. I want to see where I can see. Got in there. You know, in this camera you can't. Go for it, baby.
Not quite through on the bottom.
Top loose?
Pop.
That's gonna help out. Oh God! Oh, you almost see me flip. That's gonna definitely help the sound on the truck, and plus breathing all the diesel fumes. But it definitely was no corona bug. That's inside. That was my crack inside the floorboard. I put a towel right there, but I'm gonna have to do something with that too. But that's gonna keep the diesel fumes out of here. Definitely nothing living in there, but oh yeah, that's it right there. All right, cool. We'll get a replacement for that, and we'll get that back on. All right, found another hose that got a little problem. That's our power steering, isn't it?
Power steering.
Yeah. Had the truck parked on the concrete and it's leaking a little bit of oil. And the other old Mack that we had running in the mud with us. We actually changed one of those on location, so this one's busted now. Same one, same hose. That's pretty loose right there. I'm gonna leave that on until we. What you want to do?
I got the pan under this one. Let's pull it. If I can. Yep, here we go.
Whoop. Whoop. Yep. So on a Mack truck, you don't use this for the power steering. You don't use different fluids for it. It's all motor oil. Motor oil drives this whole truck. Keep that pan under there. That'd be good. Kind of like changing the oil on it, huh?
Looks like burnt motor oil.
Well, Mack was running kind of hard here the last few days. The past 2 weeks. I think old Robo was just hammered down. I bet he was grinding gears on this one too. We gotta teach that boy how to shift.
He was doing the best he could do.
He thought he was a truck driver. You know, for Elite Dirt Works, we always pick on you about shifting. Look at the last one, or this time before when we had that old Mack truck. That's a brother-in-law of yours, huh?
That's my brother-in-law.
Yeah, so it's Robo, and he thought he was truck driving, shifting. Watch how he shifts. Do not do that at home. All right, we're gonna have to climb it on here. Let's see. Let's wait just a little bit. We'll get this. I guess you're gonna do it, huh? Can you reach that one?
It's right up on top of the section.
Oh, life's good. You know what I can do? I can get a length on that and just cut me a snippet off of it. I need something this long.
Yeah, you won't have to pack that whole thing.
No, the next car, she ain't gonna like that. But she's already told me, hey, when she gets a new one, you can have that one. You know, 'cause that's the one we put behind the RV, so I can't get rid of it.
Right.
Yeah, it's set up. All right. Nothing's gonna come. That's
I don't think.
so whatever's on that hose. Let me see where that hose is at. There's nothing gonna come out of that one when it. Hang on, just a second. Let me do something here. I'm gonna take this off. Oh God, that's nasty. All right.
Ready?
Hang on a second. I'll come over.
That's stuck. So,
You don't tell me how long the hose has been changed.
let's see if we can split.
Hey, are all those hoses the same size or different sizes?
I don't know. Well, they'll all be the
So we want to get some spare?
yeah, they're all the same size except the one from the
That big
reservoir to the pump. It'll be big.
Why don't we get some, it'd fit your truck too, wouldn't it?
Yes, sir. They're all the same.
Why don't we get some, I'll bring it in since we live in the country.
We used to do that on our old 450 John Deere dozer. Every time we'd have a hydraulic hose made or need to blow one, we'd have two made.
Yep.
One would go on it and the other would go in the truck.
Beautiful thing.
I see the oil right there.
Oh, I know. Well, it goes up in a hill. When we just hang on. All right, guys, we're gonna get this hose out. I'm gonna just cut a little piece like that, bring it with me, so I can get one at the parts store, and then we'll put the turbo clamp back on. We got the flex pipe back on, and we'll put them on. That's gonna make it no diesel inside the truck, no diesel fumes.
You was getting the full exhaust in the cab.
But that was Corona free,
Oh yeah.
you know? Nothing could live in there. I kept saying, man, it's getting worse and worse. And I'm like, damn. And I looked at one time a while back and I didn't see anything, but with last job, I think it was so rough. You just flexing that motor the whole time. big wrench on that one. Tighten this one up some more, and we got one more to go. Huh?
One more under the cab.
Yeah, the hard one.
Save the best for last.
And, it's still pretty loose. So I go into Napa. You know, they've been putting, the grocery stores put the plexiglass in front so you don't talk to them.
Right.
You know what these guys got? They took a saran wrap and went down between the posts. The whole length of their little countertop is saran wrap, clear saran wrap.
I'll be.
I was like, hey, that'll work.
A barrier.
It's got a barrier on it. I started laughing. That's what I need. I'm gonna go walk back there and look at some chrome while y'all find my parts. You can't go back there. Like, I mean, it's just in the shop, right? They won't let you walk around. I'm like, that's kind of weird.
Ratchet, were you reaching there?
Well, I just gotta have something I can tighten it up. I got something right here behind you.
I got one right there.
Man, I bet it's gonna make the truck sound completely different.
I thought this truck was getting mighty loud.
I think it probably had a crack all the time. And we just finished it off. What? What happened there? Oh, that's not.
There's a 9/16. Yeah, that's what it is. You swap that half for a 9.
Right depth, though. That turbo don't look very old on here.
No, sir.
We'll feed that hose in a little bit. Put that one on. The power steering. Dialing, baby. Let's see, I gotta go this way, huh?
Rather had a regular ratchet,
It-
backer bar.
Probably would. Yeah. That's a knuckle getter. Did you check the weather for this next job yet?
10 days shows nothing but sunshine for 10 days. I don't know whether or not I believe them.
We need the address, dude. We got to get our DOT Dottie.
I've got
Call it
that
in today.
Got that in my phone.
That's 24 hours. See? And when we gonna be there, Saturday?
Saturday morning.
Dude, we gotta call this today. All right, cool.
One more.
You wanna do that one?
You give it a go.
All right. Get our heat shield back on. Got our flex pipe on. Heat shield. Well, bless it. That was right there. Coming apart. Coming apart. God dang it. I'm not a mechanic. By no means. I'll put it backwards. This way. get me going there just a little bit. I'll get the tabs in there in just a second. Maybe. Hold on. Yeah, a little bit. Give me a little bit. Alright, so got it. Yeah. So what are we protecting? I think I gotta go around the injector. This for the injector.
Probably that injector line.
Okay. Injector line here. Yeah, I got a shield all the way through there. All right, I think we're getting it. Kind of tight, boys. Okay. All right. All done. You get your project done?
I believe so.
Lights all work?
Lights work. Got the hose on. We need to top off.
Oh yeah. Top them all. All right, we're gonna get back in it. We're gonna put them all in this thing. Probably have at least that much in here, huh? What do you think? Good.
We both.
What's going on down there? Crank this baby up.
Clear. Clear. Like and subscribe, hit them buttons.
That's what we need.